Hello everyone, this is best topic virtual data room software overview. So everyone, I am always talking data room software virtual related all content, all my own content, and this is best content and trending content on the YouTube. So everyone, virtual data room software overview. So a virtual data room VDR is an online repository. So my message come then so that everyone, I hope this video so virtual data related content. So everyone used to secret storing and why brother I am calm not hey bhai you I am old Gmail password sent
Yeah, so let's get it. This is today. Okay, and this is also mail. So you running this video. I am for virtual data related content. Virtual data related content. We are strong. A virtual data room is an online responsibility of data that is used for store and uncertain authorities information which the because of time is in a solution of multi-party records for the documents and files who is a useful subject of figures. Speaker is most important part is top BMP. It is the resilience whose that's cost, whose demanding the humanities legal to bound index. Brother, password পাশে অ্যাড্রেস দিয়ে জিমেল বানাইছে আপনি ভাই আর কইলে না তো ওকে আর বস এলে মই কইছি ভাই so everyone goodbye tata this video end next video coming soon okay